3 minus 5 minus 1 plus 4 0
Minus.
minus 6. Huh?
Okay, where
3
okay,
minus 5.
let me let me write it on the whiteboard, yeah. Blackboard. Rex homework.
Minyak kecil atau gede? Kecil.
Okay, Bex, what is it? Can you repeat?
3 minus 5
Minus 5
plus 3
plus 3, yes. That's the
minus 1 plus 4.
oh, this is the second question. Okay, minus 1
Minus
plus
4.
4 and then
0 minus 6.
0 minus 6. Okay, 0 minus 6. Okay. And then
Minus 9 plus 2.
plus 2. Okay. Anything again?
Minus 4. Minus 4.
Minus 4 minus 4. Yeah.
7 minus 12.
7 minus 12. Okay.
Minus 3 plus 0.
Minus 3
3
plus 0.
plus 0.
Okay. Again.
Minus 8 minus 5.
Okay. And then
1 minus 9.
1 minus 9. Okay.
1 minus 5 plus 5.
Minus 5 plus 5. Okay. Good. Anything else?
Minus 11 plus 7. Iya, kan sudah bilangin ke gurunya kan nggak usah note ini. Ini terlalu gampang, tapi yang lain-lainnya terlalu susah.
Okay. What is it?
Minus 11 plus
Yes.
7.
Plus 7. Okay.
Minus 6 minus 7.
Okay.
Another one.
What is it?
Another one.
Another one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is the first questions.
Oh wow, there's a bunch of questions then in the homework. Okay. 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 We'll start new
And
section
now
then.
number 2,
I'm sorry.
the
Can you
second
repeat
question. The second question is
the second
now
part then? This is the second part.
2 plus 3 minus 6.
Okay. Can you start from the first one?
2 plus 3 minus 6.
Minus 6. Okay. And then
Minus 7 plus 4 minus 2.
minus 7 plus 4 minus 2. And then
Minus 5 plus 8 plus 3.
plus 8 plus 3. Okay.
3 minus 10 plus 1.
Okay. And then
Minus 8 plus 6 minus 7.
minus, I'm sorry, minus 6 plus 8.
No, minus 8 plus 6 plus 10. Oh, wait, no. Minus 8 plus 6 minus 7.
Minus 7. Okay.
Minus 9 minus 5 minus 2.
Okay.
Now, the third question.
Okay. The third part. Yeah. Okay.
A lift started at first floor below ground level. It traveled 4 floors up, then 6 floors down.
I'm
How
sorry.
many
Can you
floors
repeat it?
above? Let me send it in chat.
Yeah,
so
yeah, I
you
just
can
said it.
copy.
Yeah, it's because it's a narrative question. Yeah, so you have to uh understand the story behind it first, and then you can do it.
Why? Done. Now doing
Okay,
the another one.
okay, wow. There's a lot of the narrative question that
I'm
how
just
many
gonna
narrative.
make the narrative questions into a normal questions.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mathematical
So
question.
so it's a mathematical modeling. So if you that's the term for it. So you have to change a story to become a mathematical equation. Yeah, you'll find it a lot when you are maybe in middle schools, yeah, or maybe in high schools. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot about it. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot about it, especially in in college. Yeah, a lift started first level below a travel for. Okay, it's interesting. So what it is? -3, -4, +6 is what? What is that? What are you trying to say?
Assalamualaikum. Udah mau pulang ya? Iya. Masih hujan ya Pak di sana ya? Enggak,
Or
di
you
sini
can
udah
just
dua minggu yang lalu hujannya.
screenshot it in my to and send it to my WA sih, if you want to. So you don't have to type it one by one.
Udah 2 minggu yang lalu terakhir hujan terus. Udah alhamdulillah. Kameranya Bapak dibalik. Pencet kameranya dibalik yang ada gambarnya kamera yang di atasnya gambar tuh ada gambarnya foto kita terus nanti itu ada gambar kamera
How many
yang
points at
sebelah kanan
A
atas
times? How many
sebelah
points
kanan
at A?
atas
Half time B, 3/4. What is it? How many points at
yang kanan
A?
atas Pak sebelah kanan atas ya Pak Paisan sehat sehat Pak ya iya
Itu team.
iya Yeah, that's all the things. The
Oh,
third
okay.
the third part is the lift.
Itu dia lagi les.
Oh, okay. The lift. Okay, okay. Okay, let me
Lagi
see.
The
les.
third part is a lift started one level below ground level. It traveled 4 floors up, then 6 floors down.
Yeah,
Lagi
yeah,
les,
yeah, yeah.
Pak.
It's kind of easy then, yeah. It's not it's not a difficult problem then, right? A lift started one level below ground level. Yeah, so it started from one. Oh, below. I'm sorry, -1. And then it traveled
Iya,
4 floors up. Yeah, of course, it's
level
just the same
kedua
as
lagi
saying
kerja.
+4. And then you go 6 floors down, which mean that you are minusing that
Iya,
level, yeah, that the floor level, yeah, which is
mahal
you
katanya
subtract it
kalau
with -6.
kirim ke
But
sana.
I'm kind of curious with the last question. What did you mean? What
Huh?
did you mean with how many points at
Kirim
A,
ke
half times B,
atau
three
karena
quarters?
kan
What does
jualan
it
juga.
mean?
Huh? Wait, what?
You said that how many points at A, half times B,
Iya.
three quarters. What does that mean?
Oh, and in
Iya
the
sih.
game one, there is the team which
Yes.
was
Aiksan
which
cuma
had
minta tolong
seven.
dibalikin kameranya jadi biar bisa kelihatan Pak Iksannya.
Which has 7 points. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
there was a team that has 7 points.
Yes.
Lost 15.
Yes.
Oh nggak bisa.
Got 13 points.
Oh,
Then lost 9 points.
apa
Now,
cuma
So
satu?
okay, let me write it. Yeah, okay, let me write. So a
Oh, iya.
team initially,
so there was four
Yang pasti
four time areas, and at halftime it was the second quarter, which was 15. So it's 7 minus 15. Then at B it says at till the third
iya,
quarter.
tapi maksudnya kayak masak makanan makanan sehari-hari
so
mahal gitu.
we have
This
two
is a
teams. Yeah.
different question, really. Now this is
What?
the
Mahal,
fourth
ini
part.
nggak ada yang murah makanannya.
The fourth question.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So we have
This is the
two.
fourth question.
Iya berdua. Tapi kan tetap aja jadi
Okay.
kayak
So
nggak
we have two
terlalu
teams. Yeah.
juga.
A
Two
and B,
teams.
right?
Oh no. There's only one team.
Oh,
Iya.
okay. Okay, so we have a
Yeah.
team.
Gajinya gede.
Yeah, and then what is it? The teams. What happened to the teams?
Iya, tapi di sini maksudnya jadi bisa macam-macam juga sih.
What happened with the teams? Bex, can you repeat?
Iya. Nggak cuma
A team had
sampai
7
base-nya lulus,
points.
doain ya Pak.
Yeah, initially have 7 points. Have 7 points.
Iya,
And then
sampai
They lost
kuliah.
second quarter or the half
Mungkin
point.
duit untuk kuliah.
they lost.
They lost 15 points at the halftime.
Oh, okay. They lost 15 points.
Yeah, they lost 15 points
Si
at
Femi gimana
halftime
kabarnya Pak?
or
Yes.
second
Masih sering
quarter.
Okay,
Pasien
second
dia
quarter. And then
tapi kalau mau pulang dari kampus,
and then
They later at the third quarter won 13 points.
13.
13.
Iya.
30. 30.
Si Pak.
Yeah, 13.
30 30
Oh,
points.
no. 13. 13.
13. Okay, they got 13
Oh.
points at the end then. At the three quarters, right?
Tanya. Tapi dia nggak ngap.
Third quarter, they got 13 points.
Yes.
Iya.
And at the last quarter,
Aku bilangin sama si
They
Tahu
got-
sama maminya dia bisa
No.
apa namanya?
They lost
Lanjut juga di sini.
9 points.
Mendingan kerja di Jogja, terus habis itu dia bikin aja
They
bantuin ibunya kan,
lost
jualan yang lebih besar lagi.
how many, Bex?
9
9
points.
points.
Now remember, this is
Berarti
how many.
tangannya nggak mainan,
Apa?
nggak dimainin itu harus.
The points, like for example, they first have 7 points in front of the winning of their other team. Then they lost 15 points
Iya,
each.
masih belajar.
Then seven. I mean, like,
Tapi
so they have 7 points in front of another team. But then at the second quarter, they lost 15 points from the 7
Ini
points
berantakan,
in
Pak.
front
main dia
Oh,
kemarin
the-
pasir-pasiran.
of the team. So later, that the answer for the question before,
Mainannya.
it's added 30 points at the third quarter.
Sekarang nggak punya kucing.
And at the
tapi
last
punyanya
quarter,
kura-kura.
they lost 9.
Oh, okay.
Dia
Okay,
nggak
good,
melihara
So
Jadi
the question asked for,
ini
did the
kura-kura.
team win the game by how much? Is that the question, right? Loss or win?
Sama ada ikan.
They
So-
actually lost the game,
Dia
I
pasangin
think, because
mainannya
7
dia.
points minus 15 is 8. Minus 8.
Oh, minus 8.
And then
So
they got
a team
13
is
points.
yeah.
13 minus 8 is
13 minus 8, Bex.
Ini
13
Minus 15,
iya
yeah.
dapatnya.
5. They're now at 5 points.
Dapat
But
gratisnya
5 removed
apartemen.
by 9 is
5 minus 9.
5
Cuma
minus
apartemen sama
9
sekolahnya Bex gratis
minus 3.
gitu.
No, minus 4.
Minus 4. Good. So,
So
did
that
the team
means
lose?
they lost the
Ya,
game by 4
Makanya,
points from the
selanjutnya.
other opponent.
Oh, okay. Good one.
Amin.
Good one. So a team loses because they are
Salam
4
buat
point,
gue.
yeah, because they were different by 4 point with the other teams, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's true. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. You already know the how to modeling it. Yeah. Actually,
Pak.
Bex,
Kalau
you do
belum
not have
pengen
to
aku
count it one by
ya.
one. Yeah.
Ada
Yeah.
tempat.
You already if you see the chat that you have sent earlier, yeah.
Enggak.
So you have made the mathematical model for it, yeah. So
Kemarin
basically,
April nggak
we want to
libur.
determine whether the final point will be negative or positive, right? If we have it a negative one, we can say that the team is winning, yeah, by
Yeah.
based on your calculation later, yeah. And it
Iya
will
Pak,
lost
makasih
if the
banyak.
final result
Tanyain kabarnya.
is negative. Okay, so it will be negative. And if
Ikan
it's
juga.
negative, that means that team is losing by the point that you will resolve through your calculation.
Iya
Okay.
Pak.
So
Iya. Iya.
so you can do this easily, right, Bex? 7 minus 15 is, yeah, so you have to write it, right? So this is, if you want to answer this, yeah, this is the fourth part. This is the last part, right, Bex?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the last part, right? Is there any question left in the question?
Ini.
Ya harusnya gitu.
Is there any question?
Dia maju. Gini. 7 minus 15. No, 15 minus 7.
Yeah,
Oh, 7
15
minus 15
Yeah, 7
is
minus 6.
minus 8.
Yes, minus 8. Yes, and then
Minus 8 plus 13
mhm,
which was 5,
Yeah.
then 5 minus 9, which was 4, minus 4.
-4. Yes. There's another. I mean, yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's kind of quick. Yeah, but there's another way to see this question. So we'll do the fourth part. Yeah, we'll do the fourth part first. Yeah. By the way, this is the last question, right? Is there any question
Yeah.
left in the? Okay. Okay, we're gonna discuss all of this question. Yeah, for today. Yeah. Okay, this is our subject of discussion. So if I have like this one, jawab. I'm sorry. It's my below my mind. Yeah, it's di bawah alam kesadaran. I spontaneously write jawab. Yeah, because when I usually answer a question, I will say jawab and then titik dua gitu. Okay, answer ya. So we do answer the fourth part first. Yeah, the fourth part. So you can see the question as like this. So total point, the point, yeah, the final point, yeah, I would say final point. So the final point of the team will be, yeah, of course, 7. The first one is the,
Minus 4.
yeah, -4. Yeah, we do the operation first. Yeah, we start from 7
7 minus 15.
-15. Oh, minus
Not add.
15 plus, minus again. So
Plus
5 plus
15.
13 minus 9.
9.
Now, well, actually, from this equation only, yeah, you can determine who, whether the team will win the race or not the race, the the game or not. Yeah. So
Because
you,
15. Huh?
well,
Oh,
you can gather all the positive, yeah, all the positive
yeah.
number here. Yeah. So 13 plus
Because
7,
no, no, no,
right?
no. Wait, wait, wait. I have this easiest one.
Oh, okay,
You
okay.
see,
Which
7 and 13 are
yes,
positive numbers, and
yes,
15 or
yes,
9 are negative. But
yes,
13 is smaller than 15 or 9,
yes,
and
yes,
7 is smaller than
yes,
15 and 9, and 13 plus
yes,
7 minus 15 minus 9,
yes.
and it's bad.
Well, you can say it as we could gather this positive term, and then we
Uh,
could gather all the negative. Yeah, 15 minus 19, and this will be 20 minus 24, right? And now you know because now you know based on this equation only, you can determine whether the team will win or not. Yeah, because the minus is much larger than the positive term, and of course because the negative will win over the positive. Therefore, we can answer whether it will the team will uh win or not, yeah, by just seeing this. Yeah, which one is the larger, the positive term or the negative term? And the final result will be -4. Yeah, Bex. Yeah, -4. So the team is winning. Hooray. So the team is winning. Now what about this, the lift? So we start from the third parts.
okay.
Okay, so what is the final floor? The final floor, I would say that the final floor of the lift. Okay, so we start from the one below ground level. So it's just the same as saying -1, right? So the position start from -1, right? And then what happened? It travel four floors up. Yeah, which mean we add 4, and then we uh go down to 6th floor down. Yeah, we subtract it with 6. So this is minus 6. So what will be the final floor, Bex? What will be the final floor specs?
No.
What is it, Bex? The final floors.
-3.
Minus 3. Okay, so because of course this is drum 4. Yeah, so we gather all the positive term and the negative term. The negative will be -7. This is will be -3. Yeah. Okay, good one. So now, okay, we do the easy part. Yeah. What about this, Bex? 2 plus 3 minus 6 will be
Hmm.
2 plus 3 minus 6. You do plus 3 first. It will be
-1.
-1. Okay, good. What about the second part? The second questions.
-5.
-5. Okay, good. Yeah. I'm just tricking you. -5. Yeah. It's only to convince. It's only to test your confident over your results. Yeah. I want to see how confident you are with the results. Okay, -5. So about the third questions. 11 minus 5. Yeah, okay, you can do this
6.
quick, right? 6. Good. Positive 6 or negative 6?
6.
Yeah, positive or negative?
6.
Yeah, 6. 6 is a positive or a negative. Max, say it. Say it.
6.
Okay, I don't want to continue if you don't want to determine whether is it a positive or negative. Positive or negative, Max? What are you typing? Positive. Okay, good. Okay. What about the fourth questions? 3 minus 10 is -7. Plus 1? 3 minus 10 is -7. Plus 1 will be
-6.
-6. Good. So what about the fifth question? -8 plus 6 is? We started from there first. -8 plus 6 will be...
-9.
Okay, this is the final result, yeah, because -2 -7 is -9. What about this? The six questions. Question number 6.
-13.
-13. Great. Okay. What about this part? Okay, what about the
Wait, that was -B, not 13.
pardon?
That's a B, not a 13.
Oh yeah. Okay. It's kinda, yeah, the three. Well, the three love ones, yeah, they want the three want to hug one, so that's why it's very close with one. So yeah. Okay, three, yeah. Okay, good one. Okay, so this one, okay, this is a rather an easy question, yeah. If you if you can solve this one, the second part will be much more easy. The first part, yeah, this is the first part.
-2.
Good one.
-2.
Yeah, do this quick. Do this quick. I
Oh,
want to.
-2.
Huh?
-2.
Okay,
Not
-2. Okay. I just want to test you. Just
3.
want to test you. Okay. Okay, this will
3.
be
3.
3. What about this?
-6.
-6. Okay, do it quick. Much more quicker. I want you to much more quicker.
7. -7.
-7. Good. Okay, this one?
-8.
-8. This one?
The 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5.
Minus 5. Good one. What about this? Yeah, Bex. Minus
Minus
3 plus
3.
0. Yeah, because anything, if you add anything with 0, it doesn't change the value, yeah? So this is going to be correct. Okay, what about this? What about this, Bex?
13 minus
Minus
13
13.
minus
Okay, what
13
about this?
minus
So
8.
9, yeah, minus 8. This one,
0.
0. What about this?
4
Yeah, you can do it.
minus
Yeah, 4? 4 or minus 4?
minus 4
Minus 4. Great. What about this?
minus 6 minus 7
You can do it as 7
minus
plus 6.
15
Ah, yes, good. Minus
15.
13. Okay, this is a rather an easy question, yeah. So, have you done the minus
Wait,
thing?
that's not 15, that's 13.
What is it?
It's 15, not 13.
13. 15 or 13? Do the calculation
15.
again.
6 plus 7 is 15.
15?
Ano itu minus 6?
Iya, minus 6 minus 6. Itu kan 5 minus 6 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 7 itu
Well, you can.
adalah
How about 6
adalah
plus 7 first? 6 plus
6 sama
7.
7 jangan
Ini kan berarti 1 sama 2 ya 13 dong.
13. 7 tambah 6 berapa?
Try 6 plus 6
Berarti
first.
kan sisanya dari 5 ini 1.
Ma, dengerin.
Terus ini 7,
Ma.
nih berarti cuma 1 dan 2. Berarti kan 3. Berarti 13. Gimana sih kamu?
Kalau gitu aneh
Berarti kamu
gurunya.
yang salah.
Weh, bukan kamu yang salah, berarti gurunya harus waktu tadi kahutnya salah. Soalnya itu malah minus 6 sama minus 7 malah jadi minus 15.
Try to add 6 with 6. What about 6 with 6?
12.
12. Then you plus 1, right? You do plus 1.
13.
13. Yeah, and it will be just the same as 6 plus 7, right? Because 6 plus 6 and then you add with 1 will be just the same as 6 plus 7. You get 13 in the beginning, right? And because, yeah, this is just the same as doing it like this, right? So minus 6 plus 7, which you have got the result earlier, which is 13, right? So this is minus 13. Like this, Bags, okay? Don't get confused with this, okay? Okay, this is fundamental, so important in uh, doing another operation, okay? Now, okay, we still have, we still learn about plus and negative, yeah? Plus and negative, yeah? Now, with I want to introduce you with multiplication. Have your teacher taught you about the multiplication with integers?
No.
Oh, okay. This is a new material then. Okay, so we'll learn about multiplication with integers.
I've heard
So,
multiplication and integers, but nothing with multiplication with integers.
oh, okay. So, what about this question? If I ask you minus 6 times 7, what it will be, Bex? What's the result?
It's technically 7 minus 6s.
7 minus?
6. No, there are 7 minus 6s.
So the result will be? Well, this is the operation with integers, right? So
Duduk
if
atas dari ngapain kamu ya?
Uh,
So this is just the same as minus. We can write minus as -1, right? So this is just the same as minus is just the same as writing it as
45.
something.
Minus
45
45. Minus
minus
45.
45. Yes, yeah, because this is just the
Minus
same as
45.
-1 times 6 times 7. Now you do the 6 times 7 first, which is, what is it earlier? 6 times 7?
15.
6 times 7? What is it, Bex?
15.
6 times 7?
15.
15?
Hmm.
Oh wait, no,
6,
45.
4.
Karena satunya ada 15-nya.
Is it 45, Bex? Again, remember your multiplication table? 6 times 7, Bex.
6 kali 7 itu 45 kan?
Enggak lah. Ya, kapan jadinya?
6 times 6. Do the 6 times.
3 kali 4 berapa, mah? Oh iya, 12 ya.
42.
42.
42, yes.
Agak sengaja loncat satu.
Well, you can remember it as 6 times 6, which is 36, right? And then if you want to get 6 times 7, it's just the same as adding another 6. So which is 42. So this is just the same as 6 times 7. Yeah. Okay, Max, yeah, remember your multiplication table, yeah, because this is important in
Ya,
learning another
harus
concepts.
dites deh itunya kali-kaliannya.
Yeah,
Oh, sebelum mulai tes kali-kaliannya dia mah.
okay. Okay, 6 times 7, 42, yeah. And then because we add with times with -1, this it will be minus 42. Okay, Bex, yeah. Okay, what about if I had another question, yeah? Minus 50, -5 times -5. What it will be, Bex? What's the result of this? -5 times -5.
Ooh. So
So a negative times a
before,
negative.
wait. Before -5 plus -5
Yes.
is -10. So
-10?
-5 -5 plus -5 is -10.
Yes, yeah. That's true. -5 plus -5 is -10. Yes.
So -5 times 5. Remember, this is still a 5. I get
Yes.
the fifth, not the -5 times -5 yet.
Yes.
-5 times 5 is going to be 25.
Yes, that's true. Yes. Okay, and then?
-25. But this time it's not a -5 times I mean, it's not a -5 times 5. It's a -5 times -5.
Yes. Then again, you can always represent a negative with -1. So if I have two minus, yeah, which is -5 and the other -5, I can rewrite this as like this, right? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. -5 times 5, and then you multiply it with -5. I'm sorry. -5 times 5. Now, we could gather the minus thing. We could gather -1 at one place. So -1 times -1. And then multiplied by 5 minus 5. So a negative times a negative, what will be the result, Bex? What is it, Bex? If you have a
I
negative. Now, nah, negative times negative.
negatif kali negatif jadi apa mah? Kan mamanya nggak tahu. Sekarang mamanya marah-marahin ke Haris terus cuma lupa dikit aja.
Positif nggak sih? Mana
Yeah.
negatif ya?
Tapi negatif tambah negatif itu kan positif. Tapi perkalian itu bisa membuat jadi nggak baik kalau lebih kecil daripada satu atau lebih turun. Dan kalau sesuatu dikali sama nol, malah jadi nggak ada sama sekali. Tapi ini tuh kan
Yeah.
-5 lebih kecil daripada nol. Berarti jawabannya nol kan?
No, 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 no. It's not zero. Yeah. So this is the in the well the weird part of maybe yeah, of mathematics. Yeah, because if you multiply a negative with a negative, you'll get the positive form. So this is one. So if I have minus five times minus five, or maybe minus five times one times minus one. Yeah. So this is just the same as minus 1 times minus 1. And then you multiply it by 5 times 1. So this is just the same as this is negative times negative. This is will be 1. So 1 minus times 5 times 1. This is just the same as 5. So 1. So this is will become 1. And then in the other side, we have 5 times 5, which is Bex. 5 times 5 is earlier you have said
Wah.
5 times
One
25, yeah.
times 5 times 5.
1 times 5 is if you multiply a number, any number with 1, you'll get that number again.
Wait,
25, yeah.
1 times 5 times 5. So that means it's just 5 times 5.
Yes.
So that means it's just 5 minus 5 times minus 5. It's just minus 25.
What is it, Bex? I'm sorry.
So it's the answer for minus 5 times 5 minus 25.
The question asks for the minus 5 times minus 5, yeah. So I have said it to you earlier that if
Minus
we multiply
25.
25, yes, 25,
Wait,
yeah,
what?
because
No,
yes, if
it's minus 25.
Kan minus
25,
tadi minus
25 bags.
plus.
So if we put,
Oh.
yeah, this is the interesting part, yeah. So if we multiply a negative number, yeah, this part, yeah, a negative number with a negative, you'll get the positive. Yeah, this is kind of spooky thing about math, yeah. It's it's
Kok
kind of
bisa?
yeah. Uh, well, maybe I have to do some research about it. Yeah, the reason why we multiplied by minus. Why we multiply? How can a negative number and then we'll multiply it by negative number, we'll get a positive number. Yeah, it's kind of spooky. Yeah, but for now, for now, just accept
Can
the
you
fact.
show me mathematically why minus 1 times minus 1 is 1?
Yeah, yeah. I'll get some videos about it. Yeah, but the principle here, yeah, if you have a negative number and then you multiply it with another negative number, yeah, you get the positive form. Yeah, the answer will be positive. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, so if I maybe let's try another question. Yeah. So what about 7 times minus 5? This is an easy question, right? 7 times minus
Yeah.
5 will be just the same as 7 times 5, right? And then you multiply it by minus 1. Answer the question first. 7 times 5 will be this question first. What is it, Bex? 30?
Uh, hmm, hmm, hmm.
Yeah, Bex. Remember again your multiplication table? Yeah.
35.
35. Yeah. And then you multiply it by minus 1. What happened then?
Minus 35.
Minus 35. Good. Now you see, I'll give you another example that equivalent to the second question. Yeah, this second question. What about if I had mm, six on don't not six, maybe minus 4 times minus 8.
Minus 4 times minus 8.
Yes.
Wait, so
Remember the
that mean
principle.
minus 4? Wait. Does that mean minus 4 times minus 8 is just 4 times 8?
Yes. 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 So this is
Then
just
why
the
did you
same.
put the minus there?
Yeah, because the principle, yeah, remember that if we had a negative number, yeah, the earlier we have negative number times a negative, you get the positive form. So this is just the same as writing it as minus 1 times 4, yeah. We separate the minus with the 4 and then multiply it by minus 1 times 8. Of course, we can change the order of the multiplication. So minus 1 times 4 times 8, right? And remember, based on the, yeah, so the principle here that you have to remember that if we have negative numbers multiply by a another negative number, you'll get the positive form. You'll get a positive number. Okay, so this is the principle that we want to remember. Yeah, so this, yeah, because we have a negative number times a negative number, you'll get what, Bex? 1, right?
Hmm. But
And
how does it come? Tell me through an equation why minus 1 times minus 1 equals 1.
yeah, maybe I have to find a video about it. Yeah, maybe I'll give you the video of how the explanations of how minus
Unless if the
how
video is 1 hour long,
oh, no, not a 1 hour, maybe it's just 5 minutes or 7 minutes, I can,
30 minutes long.
no, it's not really that complicated. But just remember the principle, yeah. For now, just remember the principle. If you have a negative number with a negative number, the result will be positive. Okay? 4 times 8. So this is just the same as 4 times 8. In the end, we'll just get 4 times 8. Okay, what happened here, Bex?
4 times.
32,
Hmm.
right? Is
Yeah.
it right? Yeah, verify it with your own calculation. Is it right? 32?
Yes.
Okay,
So it's
good.
32.
Now, last question, yeah. I'll give you a challenge problem. What about if I had minus 4 times minus 7 times 2? What's the result then, Bex?
Yeah.
Minus 4 times minus 7 times 2. Well, of course, we can do it like this. We could put some bracket here. So minus 4 times minus 7. You do the minus 4 with the minus 7 first, and then multiply it by 2. Remember again the principle, Bex. What happens if you have a negative number times a negative number? What will you get if you have a negative number times multiplied by a negative numbers?
56.
Really? Remember your multiplication table, Bex.
4 times 7 is 28.
Mm, good.
Times 2,
Yeah.
56.
Good. 56. So
Yay.
this is how you do it, okay? What about last one? Yeah, last one. If I had -2 times -3 times -4 times -5. What happened here? What will be the result then? Can you put some
Hmm.
bracket like I did earlier?
Mm, mm, 20 times 5. Ooh,
You can divide this problem into a much more smaller problem. First, you have to calculate the 2 times 3 first. -2 times -3 first. What is it that?
120.
Yeah. Positive or negative? Positive or negative, Bex? So this is just the same as -2 times -3. And then you multiply it by -4
I just
times.
did 2 times 3 times 4 times 5.
Yes. How can you do that? I mean, how can you justify the steps using the principle that I have said earlier?
2
How can
times
it be
3,
positive?
6. 6 times 4, 24. 24
Yeah,
times 5,
but
120.
initially the question has a negative on it. How can you make some conclusion that the negative is gone? How can you make that conclusion?
Because 2 times 2 times 3 and 4 times 5 equals 4 1 minus 1s
Ah,
and
yes,
2 minus 1s are 1.
yes. Okay, good. And
But
you
what
do the
happens to
rest. You
4?
yes.
Minus 1, 1 plus 1,
Okay.
2.
Okay, good.
So that means it's 120 times 2.
So the final result will be 120, yeah, positive. Or
Mm,
you don't have to uh write the
120
minus.
clock.
Yes, 120, yeah. Of course, if you can perform it more quickly, yeah, you don't have to write the -1 and this -1, yeah. So basically, if you see two numbers being multiplied and those two numbers are negative, yeah, then the result will be positive. Yeah. So if I have -2 times -3, yeah, of course, this is the multiplication for the two negative number. Therefore, the result must be positive. Yeah. So 2 is just the same as 2 times 3, which is 6, right? And 6 times, and of course, -4 and -5 is two negative number being multiplied. Therefore, we have to have we have to have a positive number, which is 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 times 6. What is 20 times 6, Bex? 20 times 6.
120.
Hmm, good. 120. Okay.
Because 6 times 10 is 60, but there's a
Yes,
20, so
yes,
it's
yes, yes.
60 times 2.
Okay, yeah. So this is the principle, yeah, Bex. I know it's kinda, kinda. What is it? Counterintuitive, yeah. Counterintuitive, yeah. Because how can a number negative, and then you multiply it with negative, you get a positive? Quite, quite weird and spooky, yeah. At first, yeah. Also, at first, oh, of course, I also think the same, yeah. How can a negative number, when I was in elementary school, maybe, yeah, I was thinking like, how can a negative number multiplied by a negative number can be a positive? Yeah. So, maybe I'm gonna search a video, well, a short video to explain how can a negative number times a negative number will be a positive. Yeah, maybe I'll do that.
Eko ya.
Yeah, so I'll find a video about it. And maybe in the next session, we'll discuss about fractions with negative number. Yeah. And maybe we'll discuss your future homework if you have any. Yeah. So this is the homework. So this is your homework. Yeah. So this is your homework. So you can copy the results
Can you
to your books.
screenshot
Yeah.
the homework parts and send it through WhatsApp, please?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I always gave my what is it? My coret-coretan, my note to your ini kan? To your WA, right? I always send it to your WA. So no need to worry that I won't be sending this, of course. No, of course lah. I'm gonna send this anyway, okay? So maybe before we end our session today, is there anything that you want to ask first?
No.
Okay, yeah, done, yeah. Okay, so immediately after the session over, copy your homework right now. Otherwise, you'll forget about it. Okay, so do the yes, okay, Bex, yeah, Dr. Pepper, of course, yeah, with Dr. Pepper. Okay, Bex. Okay, it's kind of late for today. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry for the lateness for today. Yeah. Maybe we're gonna start again at we're gonna have a meeting again at Thursday. Okay, don't forget about it. Okay, okay, Bex. Yeah. Inform me if you have any change in your schedules. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Bex, for today. You can leave the
Bye
room
bye.
now. Bye bye. We'll meet again in Thursday. Bye bye.
Terima kasih Kak. Bilang apa, Bes?
Bye bye.
Terima
Ya,
kasih.
sama-sama.
Baik. Thank you, Kak. Oh.
Mau M&M nggak?
Ya. Aduh. Oke, sama-sama, Bex. Dadah.
Terima
Sampai ketemu nanti.
kasih.
Makasih juga, Tante.
Makasih.
Ya. Dadah.